Visual Paradigm Standard is the most cost-effective tools for you to design database, generate database, reverse database, and generate data specifications that can share to third parties. In this video, I will show you how to draw the ERD and then generate the data specification to share to others. Okay, let's start first. To create the ERD in Visual Paradigm is very easy. Just go to the diagram menu and click the new button. Then you can type ERD to filter the entity relationship diagram. Just double click. And then you can create a brand new ERD, or we have some samples for you to click start. So let's start by the movie rental for this example. So you will see there's a professional ERD tool. It has all the tools you need to design a database, including the entity, column, relationship between the entities, and we also help you to maintain the integrity between the foreign key and primary key. For example, for customer, I want to draw a one-to-many relationship from customer. I just use the resource catalog on the top right corner, drag and drop, release the mouse. Then I can select which kinds of relationship I want to create. I want to create one-to-many. I just create one-to-many. And then this is a login history, something like that. And as you can see, the foreign key of customer ID is automatically generated. I can create a new column. Say this is an ID as a primary key, has a plus sign, and have the login date. Just use the varchar 32 to store it. And the IP is varchar 32 again. So you can see that I can create the database table easily. So, and then if you want to share this diagram and share this design to your colleagues or external parties, just open the toolbox on the right hand side, click on Generate Data Specification. So I just click it. Then you will see the data specifications will be generated automatically. As you can see now, we have the entity relationship diagram showing on top, and then each entity and columns we're showing one by one in the documentation. And now it's still inside the Visual Paradigm, and you can export the diagram into PDF file, Word file, or HTML file to share with others. So it is pretty straightforward. And the best things of Visual Paradigm is it works on Windows, Macintosh, and also Linux. You can also use another way like share through the VP Online with your colleagues who can access the projects as you can. Thank you very much for watching this video.